YouTube, we got something in the mail from Babyliss. We got the FX3s. I'm really excited about these. Want to see what they sent me. It's obvious that the sticker is on here, so you know what it is already, but ain't nothing like an unboxing. Hey, the packaging on this is nice. Got the sticker right here. Who needs that? You know what I mean? We got the shavers. Look at the packaging. The packaging is kind of nice. See-through. Alright, we're going to set that down here. We got the FX, the clippers right here. I don't know. I never used like clippers like this. I never used them, the ones that go up and down, like adjusting the lever. Like I never used clippers like this, but we'll try to figure out how they work. But these right here is what I'm most excited for. The trimmers, the FX3 trimmers. I think I want to take them out right now. We might as well. Okay, alright. Hey! Alright, you guys, I mean, another sticker. Alright. These right here look clean. Came with the gold blade. Kind of gives you that Ferrari feel. Sound test. These got a nice weight to it, you know what I mean? Kind of gives you that Slimline Pro Li kind of feel to it, but definitely feels a lot heavier, a lot sturdier, and the blade is definitely bigger. But yeah, let me open up the rest and show you guys. Alright, so here's the clippers, here's the shavers. Major shout out to Dennis over there at Babyliss for hooking me up with these. I think I'm gonna have to get used to these. I've never used these before, I'm gonna be honest. The shavers, let's see what this looks like. Shavers, typical shavers. Got the little metal hang piece right here. This is dope. I'm gonna try it on a couple of people. I guarantee these probably come with guards. I'm not sure. You would think they do. Yes, indeed. They come with guards. Let me see if they come with a number 1, 2, a 0 guard, a 1.5. Oh, okay. Came with a charger, as they all should. But yeah, I'm gonna cut some hair and see if I could use the clippers. Stay tuned. This is the first cut I did. But these is pretty clean though. These is definitely pretty clean. Look at the line though. Y'all probably gonna be like, oh, you use enhancements and you use the razor. Alright, okay, but you guys seen how it hits. These is these clean. These clean. Babyliss did their thing with these. I need another one of these. Dennis, hit me up. I need another one of these. I need to custom these. Alright. Alright, so basically, let me give you my initial thoughts on these. Alright, these are the Babyliss FX3s. These are basically their Ferrari line. Okay, I know I think they had some kind of Ferrari type of line in the past, but this right here, I can't really give you guys a full-on review. Okay, this is not a full-on review, just as initial thoughts. Okay, 1 day of use. I really didn't get a chance to try it on straight hair, but for me, I feel like coarse hair is the hardest to cut, you know what I mean, in terms of trimmer to hair. Okay, with straight hair you could about bet make anything hit, you know what I'm saying, and I'm pretty sure Beam, he know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm saying. All my coarse hair barbers, y'all know what I'm talking about. Okay, coarse hair is probably the hardest hair. That's another debate. I ain't even gonna get into that, but I'm just saying that's just my opinion. Okay, it's my opinion. Straight hair, I could get a clipper that don't even. Let's not go there. Okay, so for using this for the first day, man, coarse hair, this right here, splice. Wavy Kid Kev hit me up and was like, Jeezy, man, how they hit? I was like, hit? Drake? Hit? That's not the choice. That's not the right choice of words, okay? Splice is the choice of words that we looking for, because I guarantee you, if you go too hard on the neck area, you gonna splice them right open. You feel what I'm saying? Like, in all seriousness, this right here hit. And I want to say it hit harder than the regular FX. Boy, if you don't... I'm just saying, okay? I'm just saying, I'm gonna just reel that out there, okay? Hoping that you guys, when you get it and you reel it back in, that you feel the same way, okay? But nah, you guys, that's my initial thoughts. Like I said, I can't give you runtime. I can't give you straight hair. I can't give you comparison as far as, like, you know, between clippers. I only used them for 1 day. So take what I say right now for a grain of salt, but initial thoughts, these right here, I would say hitters, but that would be doing disrespect. They splicers. Splicers just doesn't sound good. That just doesn't sound as good, does it? No, it doesn't. So I'm just gonna put these in the box until I can come up with a name, you know? And then I'll do a review, you know what I'm saying? Until I come up with a name, I'll get back at you guys. When I come up with a name, hitters. That just sounds so good. Splicers. That didn't sound. Splice? Hit? Splice? I don't know. You guys in the comment section below, let me know, okay? I'm having a hard time coming up with a name. Splice.